Hey there. Ever wondered why some women seem to treat certain men poorly while eagerly pursuing others? If you think it's just about money or looks, think again. Plenty of attractive guys struggle to get dates, and wealthy men often find themselves being used for their money. So what's the real secret? It's actually quite straightforward. High-value men know how to master the art of indifference. Here's the truth. Most men are overly eager to win a woman's attention. High-value men, however, do the opposite. They know precisely how to maintain their distance, and this drives women crazy. Pay close attention. Ignoring a woman can make you more attractive to her. Women thrive on attention, and when you withhold it, you distinguish yourself from other men. But there's a right way to do this, grounded in psychology, which we'll cover by the end of this video. Ready to learn? Let's dive into the 8 reasons why high-value men practice indifference. Number 1. Free attention. When a woman checks her phone, she often sees a flood of notifications from men offering her free attention on social media. This boosts her ego before her day even begins. A high-value man, however, doesn't give away his attention so freely. He may introduce himself to create an initial connection, but after that, he withholds further attention. By doing so, he puts himself on her radar, but treats her as if she's not exceptionally special. This approach leaves her puzzled, wondering why you're not chasing her like the others. She's used to constant attention from many men, so your indifference makes her question her own allure and why she's not receiving your attention. This curiosity often leads her to seek out your attention actively. It's important to clarify that this isn't about playing mind games while wasting your time on unproductive activities like fapping or excessive gaming. While manipulative tactics might yield some results, a truly high-value man focuses on meaningful tasks and self-improvement. He doesn't waste time boosting a woman's ego with social media likes and comments. Those efforts are left to weaker men. Instead, he provides a reality check that humbles her. From a Stoic perspective, this approach is about focusing on what you can control and letting go of what you can't. A Stoic, high-value man invests his time and energy in self-improvement and meaningful pursuits rather than seeking external validation. By not offering free attention, he maintains his dignity and composure, demonstrating self-discipline and inner strength. Stoicism also teaches that true contentment comes from within, not from the fleeting approval of others. By refraining from lavishing women with free attention, you highlight that your worth doesn't depend on their recognition. This Stoic mindset naturally sets you apart, making you more intriguing and respected. It's not about playing games, but about living with purpose and integrity, keeping your emotions in check and valuing your own growth above superficial interactions. Advice number 2, focused on your own mission. A high-value man is deeply committed to his own purpose-driven goals. He is resolute and unwavering in his pursuit of achievement. This man prioritizes building a life of substance rather than engaging in superficial flirtations or shallow relationships. His energy is channeled into creating a life he finds fulfilling and meaningful. He doesn't wait for success to come knocking. Instead, he takes charge and makes things happen. His proactive approach sets him apart from average men who spend their days lavishing attention on women. Developing a career, staying fit, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle are all integral parts of his journey. Think of it this way. Winning over a woman is akin to a battle, and your strength is your most powerful weapon of attraction. A prosperous life, a strong physique, and a charismatic presence are all tools in your arsenal. Our platform offers abundant guidance on enhancing your appeal. Take inspiration from it as you forge ahead. From a Stoic viewpoint, focusing on your own mission aligns perfectly with core principles. Stoicism teaches prioritizing what lies within your control, your actions, efforts, and personal growth. By dedicating yourself wholeheartedly to your ambitions and values, you embody Stoic ideals of living virtuously and purposefully. This commitment not only enriches your own sense of fulfillment, but also naturally enhances your attractiveness to others. A Stoic high-value man isn't swayed by fleeting desires or shallow pursuits. He remains steadfast in his mission, whether advancing professionally, maintaining physical fitness, or honing his skills. This steadfast dedication to self-improvement and meaningful living distinguishes him from those who seek constant validation from external sources. By cultivating inner fortitude and resilience, he exudes confidence and stability, qualities that inherently draw others towards him. Remember, Stoicism isn't about disregarding others, but rather about prioritizing your own path while maintaining inner peace. By immersing yourself in your purpose, you embody Stoic virtues such as discipline, perseverance, and wisdom, making you a high-value individual across all facets of life. Advice number 3. Embrace boldness. Before considering how to ignore a woman, you must first learn to approach her confidently, like a true man. Passivity is a trait better suited to the timid. High-value men take charge of their lives and pursue what they desire. They understand that fortune favors the bold and that great rewards await those willing to take risks. Waiting and hoping are not strategies for success. It's crucial to approach women without fear. Remember, it's preferable to face rejection and learn from it than to regret missed opportunities forever. From a Stoic perspective, embracing boldness aligns with the virtue of courage. Stoicism teaches that courage isn't the absence of fear, but the ability to act in spite of it. A high-value man demonstrates courage by approaching women confidently, accepting potential rejection with dignity and resilience. He knows his worth isn't defined by any single outcome, but by his readiness to act decisively according to his principles. Furthermore, Stoicism advises focusing on actions and intentions rather than outcomes beyond your control. By embracing boldness, you prioritize personal growth and resilience over the fear of failure. This mindset fosters development and strengthens your attractiveness, drawing admiration for your confidence and determination. Ultimately, boldness means taking responsibility for your desires and actions. It's about confronting challenges directly and seizing opportunities as they arise. By embodying boldness, you enrich your own experiences and inspire others to pursue their aspirations with courage. As Seneca famously said, "It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare. It is because we do not dare that they are difficult." Advice number 4. Embrace solitude. In this segment, we delve into the significance of independence and self-reliance. High-value men embrace solitude without fear. They value their alone time as a period for introspection and personal advancement. They recognize that their self-worth isn't contingent upon their relationship status. They don't seek validation from others. They are whole within themselves, exuding confidence that is undeniably attractive. This doesn't mean high-value men shun companionship. Rather, they differentiate between desiring and needing a partner. They seek a woman who enhances their life rather than completes it. They are discerning in their relationships, choosing those who meet their high standards. Therefore, gentlemen, cultivate a love for your own company. Be comfortable in solitude. Learn independence. This is the path to becoming a high-value man. From a Stoic viewpoint, embracing solitude embodies the virtue of self-sufficiency. Stoicism teaches us to cultivate inner resilience and strength independent of external circumstances or relationships. By embracing solitude, a high-value man exemplifies this Stoic principle, finding fulfillment and contentment from within. Stoicism emphasizes focusing on what we control, our thoughts, actions, and attitudes. By learning to be alone, you cultivate profound self-awareness and self-acceptance. You reduce dependence on external validation or others' presence to define your happiness. Instead, you prioritize personal growth, introspection, and pursuit of your values and aspirations. Furthermore, Stoicism guides us to approach relationships with virtue and mutual respect. A high-value man seeks a partner who enriches his life and shares his values, not one who merely fulfills emotional needs. This independence and discernment naturally attract partners who appreciate his character strength and self-assurance. Ultimately, learning to embrace solitude isn't about isolation, but about fostering a robust sense of self and inner tranquility. It's about viewing alone time as an opportunity for introspection and growth, leading to a more meaningful and purposeful existence. Advice number 5. Avoid reinforcing negative behavior. In this segment, we explore the principle of not reinforcing negative behavior. High-value men understand the importance of avoiding unnecessary conflicts and trivial disagreements. If a woman consistently engages in irrational arguments, it's wise to avoid being drawn into pointless drama. Such behavior often indicates a lack of respect and appreciation, signaling that maintaining distance is necessary. By doing so, you communicate clearly that such behavior won't be tolerated without consequences. In these situations, resist the temptation to lavish her with your usual attention until she acknowledges her actions and apologizes. Avoid reacting emotionally, as this can weaken your position. Stoicism teaches us to maintain composure in challenging moments. Sometimes silence speaks louder than words. If you choose to respond, do so calmly and assertively. This approach helps regain control while upholding your dignity. As a high-value man, standing firm and not reinforcing negative behavior is crucial. It establishes expectations for respectful interactions and reinforces your self-respect. It also enhances your appeal by demonstrating maturity and resolve. Remember, healthy relationships are built on mutual respect and understanding, not on emotional turbulence or manipulation. By maintaining your boundaries and standards, you foster healthier dynamics and ensure relationships are based on mutual respect and genuine connection. Advice number 6. Maintain your priorities. High-value men prioritize their time and commitments wisely. They lead lives filled with work, hobbies, friends, and personal goals. They recognize that changing their plans at the last minute to accommodate an attractive woman can convey the message that she is more important than their existing commitments. This can diminish their perceived value and come across as overly eager. Instead, a captivating man stays true to his schedule and priorities. He doesn't rearrange his life abruptly for someone he's just getting to know. When interacting with a woman, he communicates his interest while also emphasizing that he values his busy life. Rather than being overly available, he might say, "I have a full schedule, but I can make time to meet you." This response not only maintains intrigue, but also establishes a standard of respect for his time and responsibilities. It conveys that his attention and availability are earned through mutual respect and genuine connection. By setting this boundary, he encourages the woman to value and respect his time, thereby reinforcing his worth in her eyes. Remember, time is a precious resource that cannot be reclaimed once spent. High-value men understand this and choose to invest their time in meaningful pursuits and relationships that align with their values and aspirations. By valuing your time and maintaining your independence, you assert your self-worth and attract partners who appreciate your strength of character and purpose-driven life. Advice number 7. Embrace fearlessness. High-value men possess a deep understanding of their self-worth and exude confidence in their appeal to women. They don't place women on pedestals or view them as unattainable. Instead, they approach interactions from a standpoint of equality and self-assurance. This fearless mindset allows them to remain calm and composed around women, naturally increasing their attractiveness. Conversely, many men struggle with anxiety or insecurity when interacting with attractive women, stemming from a lack of self-confidence and a failure to cultivate a high-value mindset. Charisma, a cornerstone of this mindset, originates from a firm belief in oneself and a clear recognition of personal value. To cultivate a fearless mindset, begin by acknowledging and nurturing your own worth. Focus on self-improvement across all aspects of life: physical, mental, emotional, and social. Set ambitious goals that challenge you to grow and expand your capabilities. As you achieve these milestones and gain confidence in your abilities, you will naturally become more comfortable and self-assured in social settings, including interactions with women. Visualize yourself as the best version of who you can be: confident, resilient, and attractive. Manifest this vision in your daily life, from your posture to how you communicate. Remember, your mindset shapes your reality, so cultivate one that reflects your true worth and potential. By investing in yourself and embracing a fearless mindset, you not only enhance your attractiveness, but also lead a more fulfilling and empowered life overall. Seek out resources and communities that support your journey of self-improvement and growth. Connect with others who share similar goals, sharing experiences and learning from each other's successes and setbacks. For further insights and empowering content, explore available resources and engage with supportive communities. Subscribe to channels that align with your aspirations and remain committed to evolving into the best version of yourself. Your path to cultivating a fearless mindset begins with embracing your inherent worth and embracing the boundless opportunities that lie ahead.